In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a leave service administrator in Zoho People. We'll take a step-by-step approach to help you do this seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First, open up Zoho People in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, the first thing you'll need to do is locate the settings. You can find this option often represented by a gear icon somewhere on the platform. Click on Settings to access the main menu where you can manage various administrative aspects of your account. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Leave Tracker. This is where you will handle all configurations related to time off, absences, and leave management. Click on Leave Tracker to proceed to the next section. In the Leave Tracker section, the next step is to focus on the Permissions tab. Permissions are crucial because they define what actions different users can or cannot perform. Click on Permissions to further customize who has access to what within the Leave Tracker. Now, direct your attention to the Add Administrator button. This is where you'll officially start the process of designating a new leave service administrator. Clicking this button opens a new window or dialog box that will prompt you for additional information about the administrator you're adding. In this new window, type in the name of the individual you wish to assign as the leave service administrator. Make sure you correctly enter their name to avoid any errors. After you enter the name, the system might prompt you with suggestions if you've previously entered this user into the system. Once you've entered the name, you will then choose the employee from a list. This step helps ensure that the correct person is selected, especially if there are multiple entries with similar names. Select the appropriate employee to proceed. Following the selection of the employee, you'll want to choose a group. Groups in Zoho People often consist of teams or departments that the administrator will oversee. Pick the most relevant group for their new role. After selecting the appropriate group, it's time to focus on configuring access permissions. Configuring access permissions is an essential step. It determines what data and features this new leave service administrator will be able to access. Spend a moment adjusting these settings to suit your organization's needs. Finally, after all the selections and permissions are configured, click the Save button. This will save all changes you've made and officially assign the role. Be sure every detail is correct before saving to avoid the need for revisions later. Once all these steps are meticulously completed, and you've hit Save, finish off by highlighting any crucial elements or settings if necessary. This reinforces their importance and ensures you haven't missed any critical details. And that's it. You're all set. You've successfully added a leave service administrator in Zoho People. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video.